Greek Lessons 26 to 30 by W. H. Morris. Read for the LibriVox Language Learning Collection, Volume 4. Recording by Nicholas James Bridgewater. Lesson 26. The relative pronoun. Singular. Nominative, masculine. Os. Feminine. E. Neuter. O. Who, which, that. Accusative, masculine. On. Feminine. In. Neuter. O. Whom, which, what. Genitive, masculine. U. Feminine. Is. Neuter. U. Whose, of whom, of which. Dative, masculine. O. Feminine. E. Neuter. O. To whom, to which. Plural and dual, like kalos. Exercises on the relative pronoun. Rule 14. The relative agrees with its antecedent in gender, number, and person, but takes its case from its own clause. Note, in translating a relative clause, begin with the relative and supply, if necessary, the nominative, he, they, etc., between the relative and the verb, as I epistoli in γράφει, the letter which he writes. I epistoli in γράφει, the letter which he writes. Singular, επίησε, επίησεν, he made, did. Plural, επίησαν, they made, did. Ο ύπος, ον άγει, ο άνθρωπος, λευκός εστιν. Επιστολέ, ας γράφουσι, καλέ ήσιν. Οι δούλοι, ους πέμπουσιν, ισχυροί ήσι. Τα αργά, επίησεν ο Θεός μεγάλα ειν. Ταύτα, επίησαν καλά ειν. Το βιβλίον, ο έχει, το παιδίον μέγα εστί. Το παιδίον, ο δώσει, το βιβλίον, ουκ εστιν όδε. Αλλό βιβλίον έχει. Ημί, ο ημί. Ο έχει δώσει. Ο Κύριος ου είμαι δούλος. Αγαθός εστι. Καλή εστιν η αδελφή. Ειν θαυμάζει ο αδελφός. 27. Like. Masculine, omios, with dative. Feminine, omia. Neuter, omion. River, masculine, potamos. Battle, feminine, mahi. Breakfast, neuter, ariston. Army, masculine, stratos. Strength, feminine, romi. Dinner, supper, neuter, dipnon. Fear, dread, masculine, phobos. Victory, feminine, niki. Bow, neuter, doxon. War, masculine, polemos. Peace, feminine, irini. Leaf, neuter, philon. Rule 15. The genitive is often placed between the article and its substantive, as to του παιδιού βιβλίον, the child's book, the of the child book, ο του θανάτου, φόβος κακός εστί, την του ύππου ρόμην θαυμάζει, εν το ποταμό κροκοδιλί ήσι πολύ, ιδού το αριστόν μου. Τα των δένδρων φύλλα πολλά εστιν, όμεν πόλεμος κακός εστιν, είδε ειρήνη αγαθή. Ο στρατός εν το πεδίο ειν, εν ταύτη τη μάχη δόξα πολλά έχουσιν, ημίν εστιν η νίκη. Ανθρωπός της επίησε δείπνον μέγα, ούτως εστιν ο Υιός ημών. Όμοιος αυτό εστιν alla πολλά επίησε. Give the derivation of Rome, polemic, hippopotamus. 28. Alone, solitary, masculine, monos, feminine, moni, neuter, monon. Clean, pure, masculine, katharos, feminine, kathara, neuter, katharon. Tale, fable, masculine, mythos. Shadow, shade, feminine, skia. Sign, miracle, neuter, simeon. Place, masculine, topos. Tent, tabernacle, feminine, skini. Foundation, neuter, themelion. Stone, rock, masculine, petros. Rock, solid, feminine, petra. Heaven, sky, masculine, uranos. Tower, masculine, pyrgos. Rule 16. After a preposition, the article is sometimes omitted. In archi, episen o theos ton uranon getingin. Αυτός εστιν ο Θεός μόνος. Este σημεία εν ηλίο και σελήνη και άστρης. Ο αδελφός τη αδελφή ζώνην χρυσήν πέμπει. Ημείς καθαροί εστε. Ο αριθμός των ανθρώπων μέγας ειν. Πού εισιν έσκηνε αυτόν, εν το τόπο τούτο πύργος μέγας ειν. Τα του πύργου θεμέλια επί τη πέτρα εστί. Εν τούτο το πέτρο σπήλαιον μέγα ειν. Σκιά εστιν ημών ο βίος. Ο λόγος της ψυχής ειδωλών εστι. Πολλοί ήσαν οι των αρχαίων μύθοι. Give the derivation of arithmetic. Peter, petrify. Catherine, idol, myth, mythology, zone, scene. Uranus, monologue, monarch, topography. 29. Conjugation of the verb in omega, active voice, indicative mood. Present tense, singular. Leo, I loose. Lees, thou loosest. Lee, he looses. Plural, leomen, we loose. Liete, ye loose. Liusi, they loose. Dual, lieton, ye or they two loose. Imperfect tense, singular. Elion, I was loosing. Elias, thou wast loosing. Elia, he was loosing. Plural, eliomen, we were loosing. Eliete, ye were loosing. Elion, they were loosing. Dual, elietin, ye or they two were loosing. Future tense, singular. Liso, I shall loose. Lysis, thou wilt loose. Lysi, he will loose. Plural, lysomen, we shall loose. Lysete, you will loose. Lysusi, they will loose. Dual, lyseton, ye or they two will loose. Present aorist tense, singular. Elisa, I loosed. Elisas, thou loosedst. Elise, he loosed. Plural, Elisamen, we loosed. Elisape, ye loosed. Elisan, they loosed. Dual, Elisatin, ye or they two loosed. Perfect tense, singular. Lelika, I have loosed. Lelikas, thou hast loosed. Lelike, he has loosed. Plural, Lelikamen, we have loosed. Lelikate, ye have loosed. Lelikasi, they have loosed. Lelikaton, ye or they two have loosed. Pluperfect tense, singular. Elelikin, I had loosed. Elelikis, thou hadst loosed. Eleliki, he had loosed. Plural, Elelikimen, we had loosed. Elelikite, ye had loosed. Elelikasan, or Kisan, they had loosed. Elelikitin, ye or they two had loosed. Vowel verbs. Some verbs have a second aorist tense with tense endings like the imperfect, and the English like the first aorist, and a second perfect with tense endings like the perfect. Leo has neither. Note, ni is added to epsilon of the third person singular with si of the third person plural when the next word begins with a vowel. 30. Verbs in omega are divided into classes according to the character of the stem, that is, the letter preceding omega. See lesson 2. Vowel verbs. Present. I loose, undo, break. Present. Leo. Future. Liso. Perfect. Lelika. I shut, enclose. present klio, future kliso, perfect keklika. I shake, present sio, future siso, perfect sesika. I slay, sacrifice, present theo, future theso, perfect tethika. I cause to cease, stop, present pavo, future pavso, perfect pepavka. The present, future, and perfect are called primary tenses. The imperfect, aorists, and pluperfect are called historic tenses. The future active is formed from the present by changing omega into so, as lio, liso. The perfect has usually a reduplication or repetition of the first consonant with epsilon, prefixed to the stem, as le in lelica, when the verb begins with a single consonant, but the aspirates theta, phi, chi in reduplication become taf, pi, kappa, and z, xi, psi, prefix only the augment epsilon. Verbs with the future in so make the perfect in ka. Ego lio ton dulon. Iduli tus ippus liusi. Tiliete ton onon. Ulisomen ta thiria. Si ton onon lelikas. Ton pyrgon siete. O theos sisi tingin. O plusios tethike. Tito arnion this, tintu iku thiran gliomen, tistas tiras tis phylakis keklike, pavsomen polemon, o chronos upavi tin orgin, o thanatos tin psychin li, ikaki uti ton nomon lelikasi. End of Greek lessons 26 to 30 by W. H. Morris. Read by Nicholas James Bridgewater.